Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable pixel orbiting on Philips 276B. Pixel orbiting is a feature on some displays, including this one, which is designed to prevent image retention or burn-in. And it's really great, especially if you display some still images, like your wallpaper, for example. It may cause some burn-in on your screen because of how the display is built. And pixel orbiting will reduce that. To do it, click on OK button to go to menu, then use the down arrow to go to picture. Then click on OK and go down to pixel orbiting. Click on OK and set it to on. Then click on OK to approve and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.